Hello investor and trader, welcome back to another video. So I recorded this footage this morning in a live trading session with a group of friends of mine. Um, Now I'm just going to play back the video and narrate what's going on during the instant moment because now it's all hindsight, right? We can see what's going on now because the trading is already over. But during the instant moment, I don't know what's going on in the future. I'm not a fortune teller, right? What all I can do is rely on my skills and my ability to recognize patterns and technical analysis. So let's just get started. What's going on in my head during that moment, and hopefully this can become a good educational video. And it's also, now I look back like, oh, I should have done that. I should have done that or this or that, right? So let's just get started. So here, this is the time, 7:05 in California time. This here is 10 o'clock in New York time. So I already into 30 minutes of trading. I have not yet made a move because I'm waiting for a specific setup, candlestick formation. If I don't find it, I'm not gonna trade. So here I found square. So in this instant moment in my thought process is square is of course it went up and it went back down, right? And then it bounced back up, bounced right here, but notice this pin bar is upside down pin bar. That means it's trying to go above this moving average, which is the 6 EMA, but I got rejected. So I pull back down and then try it again. This is another inverted hammer, but this location is down here instead of up here. So this is also a reversal signal. That's why this is green right here. And what I'm waiting for is I want the next candle to be our higher high. You know, at least my thought. That's what I thought during that instant moment. So let's just play the footage. Sorry, the audio is kind of bad, but this is just like raw emotion, raw footage.
Let's see. How many shares should I buy?
1,000.
No, probably a quarter of my position. 1,000 is this price?
Oh, it's going down already.
Yeah, let it go down. 1,000? I mean, I could do 1,000, but square. I don't know how low the square can go. I mean, let me look at the days real quick.
Ain't it a good price to buy Neo?
Where's Neo price right now? I don't have it on the screen.
56, 62, but it was 55 this morning. 55, 85, I think.
No, I'm gonna wait for 54 and a half. Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, look at that daily. That's the next kilo of support. I mean, if it doesn't hit, then I guess I'm not in Neo then.
Not gonna hit, man.
You never know, man.
Not gonna be today, though.
Then I'm not
That's
gonna. Then no Neo for me today. Then. That's one thing I need to work on this year is be more patience. And lately, I haven't been real patient.
And you need to work on eating more.
Eating more.
Jason.
Hey, if you be more patient, does that mean you can take bigger position?
No, I don't want the. I don't know. Wait for the price that I want. If it doesn't hit the price that I want, then I'm not gonna get in. You know.
Kind of like Tesla.
Yes.
Don't tell me about Tesla, man.
C square dropping.
Thing is freaked out, man.
Yes.
That's what I told you to wait.
It's dropped a bit, but not a lot.
Okay, square. Yep, square is dropping to 22. 22 is not that bad. 22, 125. It's $1 down.
The thing is, it's got the effect from the Bitcoin and also down Chono.
What is Square? Do you know?
Wow, really?
It's a payment process. It's like PayPal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Squarespace.
It's in PayPal too, but
No, not Squarespace.
what's the PayPal symbol?
The square.
No, PayPal.
PayPal symbol? P. So right here, just a bunch of gibberish waiting. I'm waiting for a certain technical. Okay, right here. At this instant moment, I recognize I decide not to trade square. I don't know if you see it or not, but here, let me go to here. Minimize this screen. Go to this screen right here. So it's like around right here, right? The time frame around 10 right here.
at this instant moment, I kind of recognize what's going on with square. Notice square right here. This high is higher than this high. This high is higher than this high. So it's going down. And I noticed this right here, it kind of bounced off right there, so I knew what's going on with square. Now it's kind of hard to see on the 5-minute bit. If we go to 1 minute, it makes a lot more sense. So let me zoom in right here. And this is how I recognize in the instant moment not to trade square, because I was looking for a going long buy low, sell high, and I recognize this right here. So let me draw. No, I don't want to draw a line instead. Right here. I recognize that, and then I recognize that right there. So it's kind of like ascending triangle. So that instant moment I knew, okay, there's no way square gonna bounce up here, because that was what I was waiting for. Now if I show you guys this right here, see, this is the formation of the descending triangle. So that's how I knew, okay, it's gonna break below. So that's why I'm like, nope, not trading square today. So then I go to the next stock, which is Adobe.
Daily Facebook look pretty good, man.
So on Adobe right here,
What? Say it again?
I like the Adobe formation. Now this is not my typical strategy where I like to catch a falling knife, because that's my favorite pattern. But here, I look at the daily chart for Adobe. I notice the resistance is in the candle is in between these two channels. So let me go back to here and go to Adobe on the daily formation. So Adobe has been falling every single day. I watch Adobe every day, by the way, just to see when is the reversal. So yesterday is very bullish, and then here comes today. I noticed by the time I look at Adobe, it's already at almost 270. So I noticed this right here is pushing up. And then, okay, so now we know that the whole entire time right here for the past couple of days, it had a hard time going above this moving average. But today, you can see it right there, right? It's above the moving average. So I know that, okay, right here. So I know, okay, today, the best case scenario, Adobe will hit around this price range, 475, 474, or 473. It's not going to be exact, just like right here. You see that? It try to go up, of course, the price right here, but it's not. It'd be like $1 or $2 below, and it just falls. So that I kind of knew, okay, there may be another $2, $3 potential to the upside. That's why I decided to trade Adobe. So let's continue the footage and see what happened. So eventually Adobe popped, and that's where I got in. Let me stop the video. So I got in at that price. It popped real quick, as you can see. It just popped. So I got in around 270 right here. In that instant moment, I thought that, okay, it may gonna go like this, and then back down. That's what I thought at that time. And notice these right here, these wicks right here. So that's what it tells. It tells me that a lot of buyers stepping in. So this is a very heavy support around the 466. So when I enter here, I enter half position, not full position, half position. I'm planning to have 2,000 shares. But I already bought it here, so there's no way I'm gonna buy it here. I'm waiting for the stock to go down here, which is $4 difference. Then I'll buy the rest 1,000 shares to build my 2,000 share position. But unfortunately, that did not happen, because it went up for a little bit to like right here. Right here. At that time, I was up like, I don't know, 500, 600 bucks, and then it just went back down. And of course, it went down, 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 down. And notice I have not buy any more shares because I'm waiting for this price down here. So the candle does its things. It's going down. And then there's a pin bar right here. So the pin bar meaning is a reversal signal. So I keep going sideways, consolidate for almost an hour. You can see the time frame from 11 to 12 New York time. So at this instant moment, I knew, okay, it's probably not gonna go down here. It's probably just gonna go here, and go here. But there's a high probability that it's going to be up here because the daily candle formation with the resistance. That's how I knew it's going to be around up here. That's why I don't want to sell. I just hold on and wait. And I don't want to add any more either. Like I said, I want to buy more down here, but not right here, because notice right here and right here, the price is just too close to my entry. I like to give myself like a big drop, then I'll buy more to build my full position. So right now I'm in half position, and then eventually square pop around 1 o'clock New York time, right there, and that's where I sold it on this candle, right there. So I got out, make a quick, not quick, this is like what, 3 hours later, maybe like 2,000 something, 2,100. So that was Adobe. But the funny part was, here, let me go to the video to the near the 10 o'clock, which is 1 o'clock New York time. Check this out. I thought it was kind of funny. I recognize this right here. Let's go back. I think right here should be good. Sorry, the audio is kind of bad, but check it out.
Alright, Adobe about to reverse right here. On the daily, there's resistance right there. I wonder should I short it. Okay, right now it's hindsight, right? I should have shorted right here. Of course, I didn't pull the trigger, but I was correct. And you can see the video. It went back down. So you might ask, how did I know right here is resistance? As I said earlier, you have to go back to the daily candle. That's why when I day trade, I look at all time frame. The 5 minute, the 1 minute, the 30 minute, the daily, the weekly, sometimes even the monthly, just to have a double confirmation. Okay, so that's Adobe. The last trade I did at the bell ended was IBM. IBM missed earning or something. I don't know what's going on with IBM. All I know is, at this instant moment right here, the stock is falling down. I want to test my ability to catch the falling knife. You know, I just like to do it. It's just fun for me. So you can see it's falling, and I didn't catch it right here. So I let it fall, and then notice here's a doji. A doji meaning is indecisive. It doesn't know where to go. So you need one more candle for confirmation. Eventually, this red candle shows up. And then this little red candle over here with kind of like a cross, but upside down cross. So at this instant moment, I already knew this is kind of near the bottom. So I'll wait and wait. I think I enter on this candle right here. You can see the time, right? It's 4:50 p.m. and you see the word buy. Where's 4:50 at? Yeah, like 4:48, like right here on this candle. At this price, only 200 shares. Just get my feet in the water. But here's the thing. It didn't bounce. It just going a little bit sideways. So then I knew, okay, I need to get out. This is a like dead cat bounce, I call it. So that's why I got out. Only 5 pennies, so maybe like $10. But I'm glad I got out, because after that it just go back down. So it is good to recognize, okay, this is a dead cat bounce. It's not gonna fall, then bounce to here, then fall back down, or even bounce up here or something. The reason why how I knew it's not gonna bounce any higher, because just look at that. It been for quite a while. I don't know, like 30 minutes. And look at the RSI. RSI is increasing, but look at the stock. The stock is not increasing. In fact, it's going sideways. So the RSI is slowly creeping up, but the stock not moving. So I knew, okay, this is not a reversal. It is a dead cat bounce, and I'm glad I did that because it went back down. So that's pretty much my trades today. End of the day with only 100, which is not a bad day. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.